Hi, my name's Hazem Gaber, and we're gonna look more in depth at ChatGPT. So we're gonna learn some tips and tricks. So now, instead of saying like "Hi," I'm gonna tell ChatGPT, "Give me a recipe for lasagna." So ChatGPT uh, is basically it's got an idea for what lasagna is, and it's generating the recipe. It's actually thinking about it. So it's giving me a list of ingredients. Now, if I do this again, uh, are we going to get the same ingredients? That's a good question. We got the same. Yes, we get the same ingredients. Now, if I say give me a simple recipe for lasagna, this is still complicated. Still a lot of work to do. Uh, this is a simplified recipe. Uh, if I can say now, uh, list the for the last recipe in a table. So now it'll generate a table for me. So you can uh, so so now we got a table that we can export. So I can say generate the table in CS format. So now I've got a uh, CSV data. I can just copy that, and then I can open Excel, for example. I can paste data into Let's go copy, and then we go data and dot it import. How do we do this? So text to CS or CSV. So I could make a file. We'll paste that. We'll save that. Uh, so we'll save this to my desktop. Now we'll import our data from our desktop. So we've got a table, and we can load that into our Excel spreadsheet. So that's so now we've got like ingredients column, we've got our quantity column, we've got our details column. We can do this for any type of data. It doesn't have to be lasagna. And so I go in the last recipe. Can you double the quantity of each ingredient? So now you have a larger batch of lasagna. Can you display those in a CSV format? So now we've generated a CSV format. So that's a pretty useful uh, trick. Any questions? Please leave a comment.